morning. Welcome back to questioning online class. Okay, so in the last session we have discussed some problems related to the Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? Okay, so in today's session we'll continue those problems. Okay, so the eighth problem, this is your exercise problem. Okay, eighth problem is given by, in the figure, O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC. Okay, so this is your point O. O is a point in the interior. Interior means inside. Okay, interior of a triangle ABC. Okay, OD perpendicular to BC. This OD is perpendicular to the side BC. Again, OE perpendicular to AC. OE perpendicular to AC. OF perpendicular to AB. This is your OF. This OF is perpendicular to AB. Okay, show that. Okay, first subquestion is given by OA square plus OB square plus OC square. Okay, OA square given. OA square means what? I will join this O and A. Okay, I will join this OA. Okay, next OB square given. OB square means I will join this OB. Okay, next OC square given. So therefore, what I will do? I will join this OC. Okay, this is your OC. Okay, minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Okay, this is your first subquestion. Again, the second question given. Second question is given by AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus DF square. This is what we have to do. Okay, yes. See, first I will do the first subquestion. Okay, so first I will take the first question. Okay, I will solve the first subquestion. Okay, so okay. See, first I will take first subquestion. Okay, now just look at your first question. Left hand side. What is your left hand side? Your left hand side is about to OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. This is your LHS of left hand first subquestion, isn't it? So therefore, I will consider first right angled triangle, that is OFA. Can you observe here? OFA is one of the right angled triangle. Right angle. Why it is a right angled triangle? Because OF is perpendicular to AB. So therefore, OFA is one of the right angled triangle. Okay. Next, another right angled triangle is there. That is OFB. Okay. I will not consider this. I will consider next right angled triangle. Okay. ODB. Okay, next I will not consider this. I will consider next right angled triangle, that is OEC. Understood now? Okay, so I will shade to these three right angled triangle. Which are those? OFA. This is first right angled triangle. ODB, second right angled triangle. OEC, third right angled triangle. Understood now? Okay. So now I will consider the first right angle triangle. What is that? In triangle, okay. So in triangle, what is that? OFA, okay. OFA, okay. Since OFA is one of the right angled triangle, can I apply Pythagoras theorem here? According to the Pythagoras theorem, the square on the hypotenuse. Okay. So in triangle OFA, what is your hypotenuse side? Hypotenuse means side opposite to the 90 degree. Point F. At a point F you have 90 degrees. So which side opposite here? That is OA, isn't it? So therefore, after applying the Pythagoras theorem, what is our equation? OA square equal to OF square plus AF square. Okay, AF square. Okay, so I will consider it as equation number 1. Okay, OA square hypotenuse side equal to square on this hypotenuse is equal equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. Which are the other two sides? OF and AF. Okay, so this is for first triangle. Okay, so now I will consider another shaded triangle, that is ODB. Okay, yes. So in triangle ODB, okay, so again I will apply Pythagoras theorem to this shaded triangle. Okay, so at a point D you have 90 degrees. So which side is hypotenuse here? Side opposite to this 90 degree, that is the OB, isn't it? So therefore the side OB is your hypotenuse. So therefore the square on this side OB is given by OB square equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. Which are the other two sides? OD square plus BD square. Okay, BD square. Okay, I will consider it as equation number 2. Right? Okay. So now I will consider another shaded triangle, that is OEC. Okay, so in triangle OEC, okay, again I will apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so at a point E you have 90 degree. So which side is opposite here? That is OC, isn't it? So therefore OC is your hypotenuse. Okay, so after applying the Pythagoras theorem, I will get the square on this hypotenuse, that is OC square equal to OE square plus CE square. Okay, plus CE square. Okay, so I will consider it as equation number 3. Okay, so now actually in the left hand side OA square plus OB square plus OC square you have, isn't it? So therefore what I have to do now? Add equation number 1, equation number 2 as well as equation number 3. Okay, so first I will add left hand side. Okay, what is the left hand side of equation number 1? That is OA square. So I will write here, add equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation number 3. Okay, what is the left hand side of equation number 1? OA square plus left hand side of equation number 2, that is OB square plus left hand side of equation number 3, that is OC square equal to now add the right hand side term. Okay, what is the right hand side of equation number 1? OF square plus AF square plus right hand side of equation number 2 OD square plus BD square. Okay, again right hand side of equation number 3 OE square plus CE square. Okay, plus CE square. Okay, yes. So now just look at your equation number 1. Just look at your question number 1. Okay, what is there in right hand side? In right hand side you have AF square plus BD square plus CE square, isn't it? Okay, so here in right hand side, first AF square, okay, AF square plus BD square plus BD square plus CE square plus CE square. Okay, so now except these three terms, remaining all terms, that is OF square, OD square, OE square, shift into left hand side. Understood now? Okay, why I will keep these three in the right hand side? Because in the question, what is there in right hand side? Your right hand side is AF square, BD square, CE square, isn't it? So therefore AF square, BD square, CE square. Okay, except these three terms, the remaining terms are shifted to left hand side. Understood now? Okay, so first write the left hand side term as it is, that is OA square plus OB square plus OC square. Okay, yes. So now minus OD square you have in the left hand side, minus OD square. So where is your OD? Yes. So while this OD comes to the left hand side, what it will become? Minus. It will become minus OD square. Next So what it will become? Minus OE square minus OE square. Okay. Next, last term, remaining term. What is that? OF. So while this OF comes to the left hand side, what it will become? Minus OF square. Minus OF square equal to, now write the remaining terms in the right hand side. Which are the remaining terms? AF square plus BD square plus CE square, isn't it? So this is what we have to prove, isn't it? Just compare it with your equation. Question number 1. What is there in question number 1? OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square, isn't it? So the first question is proved, right? So this is very easy. Okay, just take 3 right angle triangle, shade it. Okay, then apply Pythagoras theorem to this shaded right angle triangles. Okay, then add equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Okay, then adjust those equations by referring your question. What is there in the question? According to that, adjust the terms. Okay, which terms are required in right hand side, you keep it there only. Remaining terms are shifted to the left hand side. Understood now? So therefore, first sub question solved. Okay, so now we are going to solve the second sub question. Okay, this is the second sub question. Okay, yes. So this is about the first sub question. So now I'll take second sub question. Okay, yes. So what is there in second sub question? AF square plus BD square plus CE square you have, isn't it? Oh, yes. Let it be. So now, in the original figure, you are shaded for the 3 right angled triangle, isn't it? And also you applied Pythagoras theorem to these 3 shaded right angled triangle. Okay. Now, in the figure, you can observe some unshaded right angled triangle, isn't it? Which are those? First one, OEA. This is an unshaded right angled triangle. Another one, OFB. This is the second unshaded right angled triangle. Again, ODC. This is your third unshaded right angled triangle, isn't it? So in the second question, I will take these 3 unshaded right angled triangle. Okay, yes. So first triangle OEA. Okay. So in triangle OEA, okay, apply Pythagoras theorem to this triangle OEA. Okay, the square of the hypotenuse. See here, at a point E you have 90 degrees. So which side is opposite to this 90 degree? That is OA. So here OA is nothing but your hypotenuse. Okay, so apply Pythagoras theorem. According to the Pythagoras theorem, square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other 2 sides. Which are the other 2 sides? OE square plus AE square. So I will consider it as equation number 3 finished. So I will consider it as equation number 4. Okay, I will consider it as equation number 4. Okay. So the second unshaded triangle, that is OFB, I will consider. Okay. So in triangle OFB, okay, again apply Pythagoras theorem to this unshaded triangle. Square on the hypotenuse. Okay, at a point F 90 degrees. So which side is opposite here? OB, isn't it? So square on this side OB is equal to sum of the squares on the other 2 sides. Which are the other 2 sides? OF square plus BF square. BF square. So consider it as equation number 5. Okay? Yes. So next, another unshaded right angle triangle, that is ODC. Okay? Now apply Pythagoras theorem to this unshaded triangle. Okay, what is that? In triangle ODC, okay, square on the side hypotenuse. So which side is hypotenuse here? That is OC, isn't it? Okay, so therefore square on this side, that is OC square equal to sum of the squares on the other 2 sides. Which are the other 2 Okay, so I'll consider it as equation number 6. Okay, so now what I will do, I'll add equation number 4 plus equation number 5 plus equation number 6. Okay, yes. So equation number 4, equation number 5 plus equation number 6. Okay, so first I will add left hand side term. Okay, what is there? What is the left hand side term here? OA square plus OB square plus OC square equal to, now add the right hand side terms. Okay, what is the right hand side of equation number 4? That is OE square plus AE square plus OF square plus BF square plus OD square plus CD square. Okay, so these are the right hand side terms of equation 4, equation 5 and equation number 6. Okay, so next term. So now this figure don't want, actually all the informations we have written, so therefore I will rub this up. Okay, yes. So next term, just look at your question number 2. Okay, in question number 2, what is there in right hand side? Your right hand side term is about AE square plus CD square plus BF square, isn't it? Okay, so just look at here right hand side term. AE square, where is your term? Yes, so this is your AE square plus CD square, yes, this is your term CD square plus BF square, yes, this is your term BF square, isn't it? Yes, so these three terms must be in the right hand side according to the question. Okay, so therefore AE square, CD square, BF square, write these three terms in the right hand side only. Remaining terms, which are the remaining terms here? OE square, OF square and OD square. So shift these remaining terms to the left hand side. Understood now? Okay. So first I will write the terms. What is there in left hand side? I will write as it is. What is that? OA square plus OB square plus OC square. Okay, yes. So I will write these three terms in the left hand side only. Okay. Now shift the remaining terms to the left hand side. While this OE comes to the left hand side, what it will become? While this OE comes to the left hand side, it will become minus OE square. Again, while this OF square comes to the left hand side, what it will become? Minus OF square, Again, while this OD square comes to the left hand side, it will become minus OD square, equal to, okay. Now write the remaining terms in the right hand side. Which are the remaining terms? AE square plus BF square plus CD square. Okay, yes. See, this is your left hand side term, isn't it? OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OE square minus OF square minus OD square, isn't it? So this is your left hand side term. Just look at your question number 1. The left hand side of question number 1 and the left hand side of this newly formed equation, whether these both are same, first one and this left hand side of first question and left hand side of this is same. Yes, see, OA square plus OB square plus OC square, OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OE square, yes, minus OE square minus OF square minus OF square. Again, minus OD square. Do you have minus OD square? Yes, it is there. So therefore, in this left hand side, from the question number 1, what is there you have? What is it? It is equal to how much? Left hand side will be equal to how much? AF square AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Isn't it? Yes or no? So can I replace this left hand side with this one? Because left hand side of question number 1 and left hand side of this newly formed equation both are same. Isn't it? So therefore can I replace this value with this one? Yes. So therefore in the place of this left hand side I will replace this value AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to now write the right hand side term here as it is. Okay. What is the right hand side term? AE square plus BF square plus CE square. Isn't it? That is your question number 2. What is your question number 2? AF square plus BD square plus CE square. AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus BF square plus CE square. Proved now? Yes? Okay. So how I will get this result? How I will get this result? By referring your question number 1. Okay. By referring your question number 1, we know that this value will be equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. So therefore, I will replace this value by this one. AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to right hand side will be as it is. Okay. So this is very easy question. Okay. So once you understood how to solve, you can solve it easily. Okay. Next question. This is 2 marks question. Okay. See here. A guide wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stick attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stick be driven so that the wire will be taut? Okay. Yes. See here, one vertical pole given, a wire is attached to the vertical pole of height 18 meter. Okay. Height of the vertical pole given. Okay. See, suppose this is our vertical pole I will consider. Okay. So this is vertical pole. Okay. Yes. What is the height of this vertical pole given? The height of the vertical pole is about 18 meter. Okay. So therefore, what is the height of this AB? AB is about 18 meter. Okay. Yes. Also, a wire. What is the length of the wire given? Length of the wire is 24 meter long. Okay. So from this end, a wire is a wire 24 meter long and has a stick attached to the other end. Okay. So at this end. Okay. So suppose this is your point C I consider. Okay. Other end. How far from the base of the pole? So from this is the base of the pole and this is your wire. Okay. What is the length of the wire? Length of the wire is about 24 meter given. Okay. How far from the base of the pole the wire should the stick be driven so that the wire will be taut? Means this wire we are tied tightly. Okay. So therefore, how far means what is the distance of this pointer? What is the distance of this BC? Okay. BC length you have to find. Okay. Length of BC. It will give the distance between the wire and the base of the pole. Okay. Yes. See, this is your vertical pole. Always the vertical pole will be perpendicular to the ground, isn't it? Okay. So this is a ground now. Okay. This is your vertical pole. Always vertical pole means it is perpendicular, isn't it? Okay. So can you observe here ABC is one of the right angled triangle. Since it is a right angled triangle, can I apply Pythagoras theorem here? Okay. So here I will write solution in triangle ABC, okay, by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. After applying the Pythagoras theorem, okay, apply Pythagoras theorem. What it say? A square on the hypotenuse. So which side is hypotenuse here? AC is your hypotenuse side. So therefore AC square equal to AB square square plus BC square. Okay, plus BC square. Okay, yes. AC, what is the length of AC? AC is about 24 meters. So therefore 24 whole square equal to AB. What is the length of AB? AB is about how much? 18 meter. AB is about 18 meters. So therefore 18 square plus BC square I'll write as it is. Okay, yes. So now 24 square. 24 square means 24 into 24. How much it is? 576. 576 equal to 18 square equal to how much? 324. Okay, 18 square is about 324. Multiply 18 square means 18 into 18. Multiply and then write 324. Okay, again 24 square means 24 into 24 equal to how much? 576. Okay, so plus BC square I'll write as it is. BC square I'll write as it is. Okay, now shift this 324 to the left hand side. Okay, yes. So first 576 I'll write as it is. So while this 324 comes to the left hand side, it will become minus 324 equal to what is this? BC square equal to BC square. Okay, yes. Now subtract 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus 2 5, 5 minus 3 2 equal to BC square. So therefore BC square value how much? 252. So therefore BC is given by square root of 252. Okay, how to simplify this? Square root of 252. Can I simplify it further? Yes. How? See, I will say one method. Okay, say 252. Obviously 252 is not a perfect square. 252 is not a perfect square. Okay, see, first 252 is divisible by 2, isn't it? So therefore I'll do 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 carrying 6. Okay, so again 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, isn't it? See students, we cannot use here long division method. Okay, because 252 is not a perfect square. If it is a perfect square, our long division method we can apply. Okay, even though if we apply long division method to this square root of 252, I'll get my answer in some decimal form. I'll get my answer will be decimal form. Okay, that is also okay, that is not wrong. Okay, but another method I'll say 252 I'll divide it by 2. 252 is divisible by 2, isn't it? So 2 how much are 252? 2 126 are 252. Again 126 is divisible by 2. 2 how much are 126? 263 are. So 63 is not divisible by 2, right? So I'll take the next number, that is 3. Okay, yes. So therefore 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, again 3 how much are 21, 3 7s are 21, next is 7 1s are 7, isn't it? Okay, so now BC is equal to square root of, in the place of 252, okay, see 252 is divided into these terms, isn't it? It is splitted. Okay, so here 2 is repeated how many times? 2 times. So therefore can I write 2 square? Yes. Next 3 repeated how many times? 2 times. So therefore can I write 3 square? Yes. Into, write this 7 as it is, into 7 as it is. Okay, next BC is equal to, now here we will be having 3 terms, 1 2 3, isn't it? Okay, so now I'll split these terms. Okay, how? Square root of 2 square into square root of 3 square into square root of 7. Okay, so square root cancelled, square root cancelled. Okay, so here we cannot cancel, so write this square root of 7 as it is. So therefore BC equal to 2 into 3 into root 7. Okay, 2 3s are how much? 6. So therefore BC is equal to 6 into root 7 meter. Okay, 6 into root 7 meter. Okay, so actually in your textbook your answer will be in this form, 6 into root 7. So therefore I will simplify it in that form only, 6 into root 7. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, so the main thing you must know how to divide it. Okay, so here 2 repeats 2 times, so therefore I will write 2 square. Again 3 repeats 2 times, so therefore I will write 3 square into 7 repeats only once, so therefore only 1 7 I write. I cannot write here 7 square. Okay, next I will split square square root will get cancelled. So the term remaining is 2 into 3 into root 7. So 2 3s are how much? 6. So therefore 6 root 7. So therefore what is the length of this base BC? BC is given by 6 into root 7 meter. The next question I will consider. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. Okay, at the same time another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? Okay, yes. So here they are given the direction. Okay, so from the airport to first one aeroplane will flies due north, another aeroplane will flies due west. Okay, yes. So first I will write here direction. Okay, this is about direction. So this is north, south, east, west, right? North, south, east, west. Okay, yes. So now according to this question, an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north. Okay, so suppose this is your airport. Suppose this is your airport. Okay, so one aeroplane will leave this airport and which flies towards the which direction? Towards the north direction. Okay, so therefore, so I'll represent it by the line. Okay, suppose this is your AB. Okay, so one aeroplane, suppose A is your airport and which flies due which direction? Towards the north. Okay, at the same time from this airport another aeroplane will move towards the which direction? Which flies towards the which direction? West. Okay, suppose this is your airport, another aeroplane will flies towards the west. This is your west. Okay, yes. According to this question, how far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? Okay, so suppose the first aeroplane is at a point B and the second aeroplane is at a point this is represented by C. Okay, this is a C. Okay, so suppose after 1.5 hours the first aeroplane will reach at the point B, I will consider, and again after 1.5 hours the second aeroplane will reach the point C, I will consider. Okay, what you have to find? What is the distance between these two aeroplanes? Okay, what is the distance between these two aeroplanes? Okay, yes. So how to calculate? Obviously these are perpendicular, isn't it? Okay. So now to calculate this distance BC, first of all we have to calculate the distance AB as well as the distance AC. Okay, but the question given the speed of the north flying aeroplane, what about that? That is 1000 km per hour given. Again the speed of the west flying aeroplane is about how much? 1200 km given. They have given isn't it? Okay. So therefore, I'll make it to make it easy. I have done one table. Okay. So this is for north flying aeroplane and this is for west flying aeroplane. Okay. Speed for the north flying aeroplane is about how much? 1000 kilometer per hour. 1000 kilometer per hour. Again, the speed for the west flying aeroplane is about 1200 kilometer per hour. Okay. Next, time. Time how much given? 1.5 hours. Okay. Time is about 1.5 hours. Okay. So 1.5. This is a mixed fraction, isn't it? Shall I convert it into a improper fraction? How to convert? 2 into 1 plus 1, isn't it? 2 into 1 plus 1. Okay. 2 into 1 how much? So 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 is about 3. So therefore 1.5 hours will be equal to 3 upon 2. Okay. 3 upon 2 hours. Okay. So same thing for the west flying aeroplane also. Time will be same 1.5 hours. Okay. So therefore 1.5 hours will be equal to 3 upon 2 hours. Okay. So therefore timings will be same. Okay. Next, distance. Okay. So by using these two values, speed and time, can I calculate or shall I calculate the value of distance? Okay. What is the relationship between the speed, distance and time? Okay. See, we know that speed is equal to how much? Distance by time, isn't it? So therefore, if I multiply this time with speed, okay, then whether I will get distance value. So therefore, distance is given by speed into time. Okay, distance is given by speed into time. Okay, yes. For the first north flying aeroplane, what is the speed value? Speed value is about 1000 into time. What is the time value? Time value is about 3 by 2. Okay. So now 2 ones are 2. 2 how much are 1000? 2 fives are 10. So 500 you will get. So 500 into 3 equal to how much? 15. So therefore 1500 kilometer. So therefore for the north flying aeroplane, what is the distance here? Which is your north flying aeroplane? That is AB, isn't it? So therefore, distance AB is about how much? 1500 kilometers. So therefore, AB length. What is the length of AB? AB is about 1500 kilometers. Okay. Yes. So the same process will repeat for the west flying aeroplane. Okay. So same, I am going to calculate the distance covered by the west flying aeroplane after 1.5 hours. Okay. So therefore, what is the formula to calculate the distance? Formula same. Distance is equal to speed into time. Okay. So speed for the west flying aeroplane is about 1200 into time. What is the time value? Time is about the same, that is 3 upon 2. Okay. So now 2 ones are 2. 2 how much are 1200? 2 600. Okay. So therefore 600 into 3. 6 3s are 18. So therefore I will get 1800 kilometer. Okay. So therefore the distance covered by the west flying aeroplane after 1.5 hours is given. How much? 1800. Okay. That is nothing but which distance? Distance AC. Distance covered by the west flying aeroplane. That is AC length. Okay. AC length how much? 1800 kilometer. Okay, 1800 kilometers. So therefore, I will represent it on the diagram. AC is about how much? 1800 kilometer. Okay, yes. So now, can I calculate the length of BC? Yes, by using how? By using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, yes. So therefore, I will do here. Okay. Yes. So now obviously ABC is one of the right angle triangle. So therefore in triangle ABC, shall I apply Pythagoras theorem? Yes, according to the Pythagoras theorem, what is that? BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. Here hypotenuse side is which one? Side BC. Okay. Yes. So AB, what is the length of AB? AB is about 1500 whole square plus AC is about 1800 whole square. Okay. So therefore BC square equal to 1500 whole square plus 1800 whole square. Okay. Yes. So now this is equal to, okay, 1500. 1500. Okay. Can I write it as 15 into 100? Yes. Just 1500. I'll split it as 15 into 100. 15 into 100 how much? 1500. Isn't it? Okay. Plus 1800. Can I split it as 18 into 100? Yes. 18 into 100 equal to how much? 1800. Isn't it? Okay. So now, see students, if you have AB whole square, can you split it as A square into B square? AB whole square is nothing but A square into B square, isn't it? So the same formula can I apply here? 15 is value of A, 100 is value of B. Okay. Again, 18 is value of A, 100 is value of B. Shall I apply that formula here? Yes. So what it will become? BC square equal to 15 square into 100 square plus 18 square into 100 square. Correct now? Yes? Okay. So now BC square equal to, can you observe here, 100 square is a common term here. 100 square is a common term. Can I take it outside? Yes. So therefore 100 square is your common term. Okay. Into, then which one remain here? 15 square plus 18 square. 15 square plus 18 square. Okay. Yes. So now, okay. BC square equal to 100 square I'll write as it is into 15 square. 15 square equal to how much? 225. Okay. Plus 18 square equal to how much? 324. 324. Okay. How to calculate 15 square means 15 into 15. Okay. Multiplied, your answer will be 225. Plus 18 square means 18 into 18 equal to how much? 324. Okay. Yes. So now BC square equal to 100 square. Okay. Add these two terms. 5 plus 4 how much? 9. 2 plus 2 4. 3 plus 2 5. So you will get 549. Okay. Yes. So this is your BC square. Okay. But BC, we want a value of BC, isn't it? So how to calculate BC length? BC is given by square root of 100 square into 549. 100 square into 549, isn't it? Okay. So again, can I split this? Okay. This is one term and this is your another term. So can I split this? Okay. So therefore, BC equal to square root of 100 square into square root of 549. Right? Okay. 100 square root of 100 square into square root of 549. Okay. So now, can I cancel this square and the square root? Yes. So then I will get BC equal to 100 into 549. Okay, so now 549, whether it is a perfect square? No, right? So then how to find the square root of 549? Long division method you can apply, but you will get some decimal number, decimal values you will get. So therefore, instead of that, see here, 549, okay. So 549, it is not divisible by 2. So I'll take the next number 3. Okay. So 3 how much are 549? 3 2s are, sorry, 3 1s are 3. I'll get 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Okay. How much carry? 2 carry. 3 how much are 24? 3 7s are, sorry, 3 8s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, isn't it? 3 1s are 3, 2 carry, we get 24, so 3 8s are 24, next 3 3s are 9, okay. So next once again, 3 how much are 18, 3 9s are 18, 3 1s are 3, right? Okay. Next 549, okay, so I divide. 549 is divisible by, whether it is divisible by 2? No. So therefore I will take the next number 3. 3 how much are 549? 3 1s are 3, 2 carry, 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9, okay. So next once again I will take 3. 3 how much are 18? 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3, next 61 only I will consider. So 61 1s are 61, isn't it? Okay. So therefore BC equal to 100 into square root of 549. Okay. So 549, can I split it as, here 3 repeats how many times? 2 times. So therefore I will write 3 square into 61 repeats only once. So I will write 61 as it is. Okay. So now BC equal to 100 into, again I will split this term, square root of 3 square into square root of 61. Okay, yes. So square and square root cancelled. So I will get 100 into 3 into square root of 61. Okay. So 100 into 3 how much? 300. So therefore 300 into 61. Okay. So therefore what is the distance between the point B and point C is given by 300 into 61 kilometer. Okay. Kilometer. This is about kilometer. Okay. Yes. So therefore the final conclusion is given by, how far apart will be the two plates after 1.5 hours given. So what is that distance? Distance is given by 300 into square root of 61 kilometer. Okay.